Everyone, welcome to our next topic of Zoho. In this topic, we'll see how to create vendor in Zoho. So our object and focus area, how to create vendor in Zoho. So let's move into the Zoho book and see how to create vendor. So first, from the home from the left side, you have to click Purchase tab. In Purchase tab, vendor. Then click on New. Then select Salutation. Write the name of the contact person. Company name. Select the vendor display name, email ID, contact number, GST. Select GST treatment. Enter the GSTN number you will get from your vendor. Then automatic it will come, and source of supply where we are supplying the service, everything will enter automatic. If you want to select tax, you can select tax like TDS. Like why we are providing a consulting fee, so professional fee 10%, and then click on save. We are purchasing a consulting fee, so we have entered the TDS. Now again create one more person, like it is an individual person from whom we are purchasing service. Okay. So for GST treatment, unregistered business. Okay. Supplies, select for Maharashtra location. It is a we are taking a business service from a freelancer. So select TDS. Again, professional fees. Then click on save. Same way, if you want to import vendor details, you can simply click on three dot import. Then after that, import vendor, and you can import the file into the Zoho. So I hope you have understand how to create vendor in Zoho. So do you have any question or any doubt, you can simply email us info@skillanything.com and contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.